Hi, we're Joanna and James. Welcome to our channel.
In our last vlog, we mentioned a play we've both recently been working on about the artist Edvard Munch. It's by Patrice Chaplin.
We've been rehearsing close to Regent's Park, a few miles from here.
Loving to walk as we do, it seemed a great opportunity to come early into Hampstead and then walk from Kenwood House through Hampstead Village and across to Primrose Hill via Belsize Park. It proved a most happy decision.
So we thought we'd take you along too, for part of the way.
These are the enchanting grounds of Kenwood House. They are open daily from 8 a.m. until dusk and were likely originally designed by Humphrey Repton, with an additional garden created by Arabella Lennox Boyd.
They lead right out onto Hampstead Heath.
A third of the estate is an area of special scientific interest, in particular, the ancient woodland. This is the stunning West Meadow, part of the King's Meadow project. It's one of 100 meadows throughout England celebrating Charles III's coronation.
It's also part of a large collaboration between English heritage and plant life to revive our lost natural meadows and ecosystems and to enrich those which already exist. Meadows and grasslands like these are absolutely crucial for biodiversity and for storing carbon. They're also wonderful for deepening our sense of well-being, our connection to who we truly are, nature. Please like, subscribe and comment. We really do appreciate it.
a little way is Hampstead Village, with its numerous pubs and cafes. This is one of our favourites.
Thanks so much for coming along with us.
Whatever you're up to, we wish you a happy day.